So this is my report also. Three modern biological theories of time. So ano nga ba to? Sociognomy. So sociognomy is the study of the systematic correspondence of physiological characteristics to facial features or body structure. So sinasabi lang dito na kung i-base natin sa criminology is like ito po yung pinagbabasihan ng krimen noon sa sa pagdodrawing, inilalathala ng isa ng isang ano, ng gustong magreklamo sa isang tao kung sino yung nakita niya, or ano yung nakita niya, kung tao ba yun, or ano, yan. So, it is largely a pseudoscience that dates back to the ancient Greeks because most effort to specific such as relationship have been discredited. So, ito po yung ginagamit noong late 80s and 90s century. So, ayan, yung para ma-identify kung sino yung like nagnakaw, pumatay, yan. So, ayan, phrenology. Phrenology is a pseudo- pseudoscience that involves the measurement of bands on the skull to predict mental traits. It is based on the concept that the brain is the organ of the mind and the certain brain area have localized specific function or module. So, pinag-aaralan naman po dito sa phrenology is kung hugis ng utak, hugis ng ulo, kung malaki ba 'to, maliit, may bumps ba 'to, or any kind of nakaano sa ano mo, kung may pagbabago ba, yan gano'n. So, this is my report for this today, and I hope you learn something. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My topic is all about the physique theory of Ernst Kretschmer. Body type theories proposed by Kretschmer are historical concepts that attempts to correlate types and personalities or psychiatric disorders. Kretschmer classified four types of people. The first is asthenic type. It has a slender body or leptosome and is more prone to schizophrenia. The next is the picnic type. It has a round body and is likely to become manic depressive illness or bipolar disorder. The athletic type, it has a muscular body who may suffer from epilepsy. And the last is the dysplastic or also called mixed type. This type cannot be classified as any of the other three types. The person has a body type that is less clearly evident having or any predominant type. Sheldon had a similar insight classifying people into ectomorphic, endomorphic, and mesomorphic. And interestingly, Sheldon also claimed that there was a deeper connection with genetic components being linked to both the somatotypes and personalities, such as classification proposed by the two celebrated psychiatrists or psychologists. It was based on their observational surveys in the beginning of the 20th century. There, however, scientific evidence thereof is limited. Nevertheless, the recent genetic studies have evaluated their body types theories by conducting genetic correlation analysis, which employs genetic association result from genome-wide association to examine the genetic relationship between two independent phenotypes that is theoretically excluding environmental factors.
The theory of XYY chromosomes imbalance theory. The human chromosomes is the basic building block of life and one of the most important components of the cell to be transmitted from generation to generation. Type of sex chromosomes. XX chromosomes. It refers to male chromosomes. XY chromosomes. It refers to male chromosomes. And XYY chromosomes. The extra Y chromosomes equates aggressive behavior and masculinity. Given the Y chromosomes association with the male set and with increased production in testosterone, many claims have been made in the research literature that XYY males are more aggressive and more violent.
The Jukes family was a New York Hill family, studied the late 19th and early 20th century. The study are part of the series of the other family studies including the Caligax, the Seros, and the Nuns that were often quoted as argument is support as eugenics. Thoughts that original Jukes study by Richard L. Douglateff placed considerable emphasis the environment as determining factor in criminality. This is Sabi dito ang pamilya Jukes daw ay isang pamilya ng bural sa New York na nag-aaral ng eugenics ay naimpluwensyahan na iba pang pag-aaral tulad ng Kalikax, Sears at NAMS. Si Richard L. Duglate, isang sociologist, ay sumali sa Asosasyon ng Bilangguan. Noong 1874 at naging miyembro ng pamilya Jukes, si Duglate ay responsable para sa isang kulto sa Ulcer Country kung saan pinangangasiwaan niya ang mga aktibidad ng pamilya kabilang dito ang isang mapanganib na relasyon tulad ng 17 na pagpatay at 15 na pagkapatay. In 1912, Henry Herbert Gordon's work The Kalikak Family, a study of heredity of feeble-mindedness, arguing that people possess a strong intellect which is influenced by factors such as alcoholism, criminal behavior, prostitutes, and sexual orientation. 1912 daw isinulat ni Henry Herbert Gordon ang The Kalikak Family. A study o heredity the people mid-midness, nangangatwiran na ang mga tao ay nagtataglay ng malakas na talino na naimpluwensyahan ng mga salik tulad ng alcoholism, kriminal na pag-uugali, prostitutes at orientasyon sexual. Ang aklat ni Gordon ay naglalayon na nauunawaan kung paano makikita ng mga tao ang kanilang mga katangian tulad ng kriminalidad at immoralidad at kung paano sila magagamit upang mapabuti ang kanilang mga katangian sa kabila ng suporta ng eugenics. Ang mga paniniwala ng Kalikak family ay pinuna dahil sa kanilang kakulangan sa kaalaman, kawalan ng pangunawa at kawalan ng empatiya.
So, ayan, good morning to everyone. And this is my report for this morning. So, Jonathan Edward Family Tree. So, yan. Jonathan Edward was a Puritan preacher in the 70s. So, isa po siyang Puritan preacher in the 70s. So, ayan. He was one of the most respected preacher in his day. So, isa po siya sa mga kilala at pinaka-nire-respetong preacher sa kanyang era. Parang siya, kilalang-kilala po siya yun. He attended Yale at the age of 13 and late went on to become the president of Princeton College. So, at the age of 13, naging college na po siya, no? Dahil siguro sa sobrang advanced sa kanyang pag-iisip. And naging presidente din po siya ng Princeton College. So, he married his wife Sarah in 1727 and they were blessed with 11 children. So, ayan, nagkaroon po sila ng 11 anak ni Sarah noong siguro simula to ng 1727. Yan. Every night when Mr. Edward was home, he would spend an hour conversing with his family and then praying a blessing over each child. So, ayan, parang pinapangaralan niya bawat isang mga anak niya na maging ganito, maging maayos, at maging ah, maganda ang respeto sa iba, and then laging magdasal. Yan. Jonathan and his wife Sarah passed on a great godly legacy to their 11 children. So, ayan. Namatay si Jonathan and his wife Sarah ah, nang merong takot sa Diyos yung kanyang 11 children. So, ayan, napalaki nila ng maayos yung mga anak nila. Like, naturuan nila ng magagandang asal. Ayan. Yung mga tinuturo commonly in the house lang. Ayan. And then, next naman po tayo sa Jonathan, Edward, and Matthew's family tree. So, ayan. Mag-compare naman po tayo dito. So, yung mga anak po ni Jonathan Edward has a 13 college presidents. So, yan. 65 college professors. Yan, family tree po to 75 military officers, 80 public servants, 60 authors, 60 doctors, 30 judges, 100 pastors, 100 lawyers, 3 US senators, and a vice president. So, ayan. Makikita natin kung gaano kabibigat yung mga anak ni Jonathan Edward. And then, dahil nga dyan, is meron Vice President, yan. Tatlong US Senator. Yan. And then, kung i-compare naman po natin sa ah, family tree ni Maxius is parang puro siya karahasan, ano? Parang hindi siya maganda tignan, no? So, 310 dies, died as paupers. Ayan. 150 criminals. Yan. Sa panahon nung family tree ni Maxius to, So, 7 murderers, 100 plus drunks, and 190 prostitutes. So, yan. So, kung i-compare natin dito, is yung mga anak ni Jonathan Edwards is yung